Hi everyone, this is Manay Jean and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, ayan, pag-usapan na naman natin ang Kimpaw dahil nga meron nga silang ganap bukas at ito nga ang post ng ABS-CBN Star Cinema sa kanilang page. Dasma sama na sa kilig. Love appears in Cavite. See you at SM Dasmariñas on March 1, 5 p.m. So bukas ito guys. Join #Kimpaw plus the cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear, Lovely Avelia and Benj Manalo with special performances from Jello Marquez, Ailey Padilla, Justin Maclaire, Sean Crab and David Young, hosted by Melo Elmido Jr. Wear your status at Magmahal sa Cavite and exclusively in cinemas worldwide, beginning in the Philippines on March 26, 2025, with My Love Will Make You Disappear starring the People Superstar Kim Chiu and Paulo Abilino, directed by Chad Bidanes. So ito naman mga kakimpaw, ang Dress Your Status, ang pink is Tikin Ako Iikaw, ang red naman Bitter Yarn. So ayan guys, basahin nyo na lang ang yellow, self-love. Basta ayan yun. So nasa sa inyo na kung saan kayo dyan nabilong. So ayan mga kakimpaw, wag daw kayong mahiyang magsuot para every time na mayroong tour ang Kimpaw, may chance kayong ma-meet sila. So yan lang muna. That's all for today and thank you for watching. Bye. God bless everyone.